Yes, my people, I'm director Balin Henry kama kawaida, and today I want to show you a quick on how to just a scratch vile kutengeneza kick na hi-hat. Sasa hi-hat ya sasa ni different na ile ya kitambo kidogo. So I want to show how I do it and how to make rolls, okay? Just a simple way of making this Ohangla music, okay? Without wasting time, kindly remember to subscribe. So let us begin. So I have some few samples that I've made, so to make work easier, because my camera can't record for that long time. So that's why I always make them to give me that easier time. So here's the kick. And then that is a bull. So that is tumbas, bull, tumbas together. So instead of shakers, I have tuned hi-hats. Basically, there are some things that I've played. Kitu ya kwanza nimeanza na, nilikuwa nimeanza na kick. Unaweza weka mbili ukipenda, ukitaka hiyo punchy. Bull. That is snare as usual. And we have tumbas. We have shakers. But for modern Ohangla, you can even play with hi-hats. But you tune those hi-hats, the cause of hi-hats unaweza ongeza kidogo so that ikue kitu kama hii, so that it can be something like this sort. Okay, and then you can add ongeno, but you always have specific type of snare that we use in our rolls, yeah? So So Ohangla lazima tukuwe na basics zake. So hapo ndio kudanganya. So that is the rock. Then crash. Here you have the crash. Now here we go. Intro. So it is a song that I did some of it. I actually recorded a piece of it, so you may listen to it so at least you hear that combination of those things. What's there? So there's a little bit of how I do it, and that's the song, that's the beat, sample beat, how I do it. So thank you for watching this. May God bless you all. Continue watching, continue subscribing, and continue sharing, because through all of that time you have supported me, and here today may God bless you all, and let's meet in the next episode. Next episode I will be showing you how to, okay, below in the comment section you may comment on what you want me to do next. Okay, you may comment either beat making, mixing, anything that you want concerning Ohangla music. May God bless you all.